How to fix Facebook unable to login error on your Facebook app. Hello guys, this is Atticus back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your unexpected error, occurred error on your Facebook. So let's get started. First things first, make sure that you have strong internet connection. Go to your settings. Now here you can just open up your Wi-Fi, just reconnect to it, or you can simply just turn on and turn off your airplane mode. So after you do this, you'll reconnect to your Wi-Fi, and after you do that, what you'll need to do is go back to your home screen and go to App Store. Now right here, you'll need to check if Facebook has an update. So let me go back to my App Store and search for Facebook. So here is Facebook right here. Now, after you search for it, there you go, there is an update available. Tap on update, and while it updates, all you need to do is wait. Now, after it updates, go back to your Facebook and try to log in. If the problem is still there, what you'll need to do is go to your settings, go to your general, and go to iPhone storage. Now, right here, after it loads, search for Facebook. So after you search for Facebook, just offload the app and reinstall it. After you do so, your Facebook should be working just fine. And if it does not work, just know that there might be a problem with the server of Facebook, so that's not an issue that you can fix. So all you can do is wait till the servers are up and running, and after you do that, try to log in and you should be good. So that is basically how you fix the problem of logging in on Facebook, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped, and if it did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.